Welcome the our channel. Today we how to increase influencer reach with TikTok, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding your target audience on TikTok. Identify their interests, preferences, and demographics. Research trending content related to your niche. Create a compelling profile that resonates with your audience. Include a clear bio and a link to your other social media or website. Develop a content strategy centered around your audience's interests. Focus on short, engaging videos that capture attention quickly. Utilize popular trends and challenges to increase visibility. Incorporate relevant hashtags to expand your reach. Engage with your audience through comments and DMs. Collab with fellow influencers to tap into their audience. Host giveaways or challenges to encourage user participation. Analyze your content performance through TikTok analytics. Adjust your strategy based on what resonates with your audience. Post consistently to maintain engagement and visibility. Experiment with different formats, styles, and themes. Stay updated on platform changes and trends. Use TikTok ads if your budget allows to boost your content. Encourage your followers to share your videos. Leverage other social media platforms to cross-promote your TikTok content. Establish a unique voice and aesthetic for your brand. Network within the TikTok community to build relationships. Track your growth and adjust your approach as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.